Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today it's a kind of different video. I went to a supermarket and there I saw this a Kinder Joy. But surprisingly, I saw Hot Wheels written over it. So as a Hot Wheel lover, I just bought it around 50 rupees something, and I ate the chocolate. The leftover thing is this Hot Wheels pieces. Let's assemble it step by step as shown here, and we will see how it goes. Okay, let's assemble it. I think as mentioned on that, let me focus. Yeah, you have to attach this one here. Yep, then this part. Come on, it should go. Yeah, so the last part is this one. Let's fix it this also. And yeah, it's incomplete, by the way. We have to complete it by adding the stickers. So these are the steps that are mentioned. Something scan and play, but we'll just assemble it. That's it. Let's apply the stickers. What should we paste first? I think the front. Let's stick that first. To be very careful over here. Okay, I think yeah, it's perfect. Let's place the windshield. Am I placing it correctly? Yep, done that. This one. Now the back. It should go like this, I think. Yeah. Yep. Now the side stickers. How to place them? To see here. Let's place it. I think this one will come here. Yeah. And the last piece, guys, this one. It should go properly. Come on. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Our Hot Wheels is assembled now and it looks cool. It looks very cool. Just test it by rolling it. Yeah, it rolls also good on me. Let me show you how we made it. We just applied some stickers, that's it, and assembled it. This is our Hot Wheels, Kinder Joy Hot Wheels. Thank you guys for watching it. We'll meet in next video.